Mariah Carey used her pool to help shape the 200 greatest singers list. And not everybody made that list. There are two sides to every story, but there's one backstory. Songbird Mariah Carey sit in a secret meeting on the east side of New York. She sits across from Rolling Stone magazine editor Noah Shackman. Noah glanced over at Mariah pleasantly, curbing his enthusiasm for the pop icon. "I need your help in shaping the top 200 singers list and bringing the list to life. Darling, I am the list." Her lips pinched together, followed by a soulless gaze that shook him. Noah nervously chuckled, hoping to ease the tension. "Mariah, the list has been good to you. Am I number one on the list? Well, no. Number two? No, not number two." She inhaled with great annoyance. "Then why did you invite me here?" Noah danced carefully around her bruised ego, looking her squarely in the face. "We want your perspective. You have 19 number ones. It's not J-Lo, is it? Is she number one?" A daunting silence had forged its way into the room before both shared a hearty laugh. And for the record, I still don't know who she is. Mariah, you are comfortably sitting at number 5. So 4 others above me? Yeah, that's right. Mariah nervously shifted in her seat. Curiosity had befriended her. There's only 2 women that will possibly be ahead of me. Whitney is one, by a small margin. Yes, I agree. But there are 3 women that landed at the number 6 spot, right behind you. And we're giving you the option to choose her. I'm honored. This should be pretty easy. Noah slid 3 photos in front of Mariah, her arms crossed. She leaned forward, shimmering pools of hate flooded her eye ducts. You have to choose one. Photos of Adele, Beyonce, and Christina Aguilera stared back at her. I'll choose her because my voice is better than hers.
Would I consider myself a diva?